Okay, so welcome to another day. So I took the trade here, a short. Let me show you, and it is right here. So the short was in this red candle here, and the stop is above this high right here, and the target is here below this low. Okay, so as you know, I always go to for 1-to-1. And why I took this trade? Well, because we are getting to this zone right here, which is the fair value gap in the 1 hour, and we have been rejected 2 times, and this last candle was red. So my thinking is that price can go a little bit lower to visit this area right here from the red candle, and then try to go up again, or visit this inversion per value gap, and then from there try to go uh, up again. Again, if you see in the 15-minute, we have that this fair value gap that we found rejection once here, and then we touch it here, rejected, we touch it again here, and we find rejection again. So in the 1 minute, what I was seeing is that we are here, and then we have these retracements of 75% here and here also almost. And as you can see, we are getting rejected from fair value gaps right here. So as soon as I saw this rejection of this candle right here, uh, that closed below this fair value gap and also below the 50% of this one, this fair value gap as well, that's where I entered the short. My target is below here, this low, because well, we took some buy side here, and then we are trying to reach for this zone to take some sell side first. Target areas for me here and here, these two fair value gaps. Remember, consecutive candles of the same color with fair value gaps are good areas to target. One thing that I don't like about this trade, and that might be the reason why it will not work, is that I have these two relative equal highs here. So maybe price wanted to go here and then go lower, and if not, well, I think we can visit this area right here below this low, which is a sell side liquidity here. So I'm expecting price to go there before trying to go higher. And again, as you can see in live price action, we are touching this value gap and rejecting here, and also closing below the 50% of this fair value gap. So I expect price to continue like this until it touches this liquidity here. So let's see what happens. Okay, so trade has been completed, and it was a winning trade. So again, price went below this low that I mentioned to you, and it took my target there. So if I go to this platform and I show you, it took this sell liquidity. Again, when price does the following, it creates this candle right here with a wick here, and then retraces with this strong candle. You sometimes start thinking that price will reverse and go and take your stop, but to me the analysis is that we have pending to take some sell side liquidity. So this is only a minor retracement, and then we're going to try to take this liquidity. And also, important thing, try to touch this area right here, this value area right here, that I told you that these areas are good areas to target, to use as target when you have consecutive candles of the same color, and also they have fair value gaps. Those are areas that price might want to visit. To me, also, we have this Fibonacci here. So before the price goes to the upside to take these relative equal highs, I was expecting it to touch the 50% area or even the 75%, and then it will try to go up again. So my play today was to go short in that retracement to this area and then try to profit from there. So that was the trade for today. Very good week of trading, and let's continue with the same type of trading. Good energy for the next week and the remainder of the month. So thank you and see you next time.